Pretty girl with a body, with a mad anybody. Yo, me did a pretty type from a team. Here some first time turn I'll be West Side Street, you know what I mean?
Another episode of Pree Dis. I'm Lijitimate, and of course we have the latest in entertainment and lifestyle right here in Jamaica. Our location this week is Stony Hill, and we're ready for Eva Hype. So come along with us on this exciting journey. You're watching Pree Dis. Let's go. The location is UE Sandpit. The event, College Cooler Fete, featuring sounds like Dark Side, DJ Franco, Chromatic, and Lengdy. Pree Dis has the highlights, so check it out.
Some of them boy are going like them bad and them not fish. And I'm going to allow boys to put in your knees. Sure of money now. I got money in the bank, so my mama don't worry no more. At night, they wanna steal, so I never let them go. No, jailhouse is not a nice thing, you know. It's not a nice thing. So we not go to jail again. Oh, we never gonna feel again. Huh? Cause if we are going to see it again, you would have never see me call the friend to see it again. No, we go to jailhouse already. And the police officers can't tell you. But you see, when I come out of jailhouse, I'm going to tell you how much girl I capture. You know, let me tell you what we know. 13, 14, Honor. No, make us start getting together now. Oh, we go. Everybody start
The grand finals of the Campari Pop Style event took place at downtown Kingston recently. Now, if you know anything about the Campari series, it's all about style, fashion like you've never seen before. Check out this recap. All that fashion and style, is time for our first commercial break. When we return, Jameik King sits in the seat in this week's Talent on the Rise, and we have a new music video. It's Pree Dis. We'll so forward, don't move our muscle.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some gallopar. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge. We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge. You know I give we Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. No, we cannot win a stock. Take charge, take charge. Magnum tonic wine for the real star them. Take charge, Magnum.
Victory is the only option. And your biggest opponent is that voice inside your head. And you know, with Hydrate Hydration, you can do almost anything. Even when work is a workout.
Up to $40 less than other popular rehydration drink brands. Lasco Hydrate is everyday hydration for everyday heroes.